Create unlimited chatbots powered by AI and deployed to Meta properties. AIBot Studio is the ultimate chatbot platform you'll ever need. It's perfect for everyone, whether you're just starting out or a seasoned pro. Plus, it's packed with unique features you won't find anywhere else, like the super easy one-click deployment of chatbots to Messenger, WhatsApp, and Instagram. Check out all the cool stuff AIBot Studio can do. You can create unlimited chatbots with no caps or restrictions. Just let your imagination run wild and build as many as you need for your business or projects. It's all about building without limits and scaling up effortlessly. Getting started is super easy too. Just follow 3 simple steps to set up your bots, making even the trickiest setups feel like a walk in the park. Whether you're a newbie or a pro, you'll find it straightforward. Want to train your chatbot? No problem. Use URLs, files, Q&A databases, and videos to make it an expert on any topic you want. Plus, you can build GPT assistants live. Watch them come to life right inside the platform with no waiting around. If you've already got GPT assistants elsewhere, bring them over easily from the playground and hit the ground running. Test and tweak them in real time using interactive preview page. It's so satisfying to see your bot spring into action before it's officially deployed. And don't forget about those desktop widgets. They're designed beautifully to wow your audience. For mobile users, flawless integration covered so interactions are smooth wherever they happen. Customize everything about how your chatbot looks, from colors and logos to styles, to match your brand perfectly. Add quick reply buttons for snappy responses that keep chats flowing smoothly. Store search queries so you never lose important info. You'll have easy access whenever needed. With dynamic design features like customizable buttons and text elements, every interaction feels fresh. Embed these bots anywhere using simple iframe code for maximum visibility across platforms, and take branding up a notch by integrating custom domains for that professional touch. Deploying across Meta properties like Messenger or Instagram is just one click away. Expand instantly without breaking a sweat. Oh yeah, and there are no monthly fees, plus commercial rights included. Imagine effortlessly engaging your audience 24/7, providing instant support and driving sales, all without lifting a finger. Join countless satisfied users who have revolutionized their businesses with AIBot Studio. Your customers will love the seamless experience, and you'll love the results. Don't miss out on this game-changing tool. Sign up for AIBot Studio today to start building smarter chatbots that work for you. Check out the link below to see AIBot Studio in action.